Have you ever spent hours writing a script, only to end up with something boring and repetitive? What if an AI could create a professional YouTube script in less than 60 seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to generate strong, engaging scripts that keep viewers watching until the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or marketer, Claude AI can help you create high-quality scripts quickly. Today, I'll show you how to log in, create your first script, and get better results with a simple prompt trick. Let's get started. First, open the Claude AI website. Click on the Sign Up or Login button. You can usually sign in using your Google account or email address. If you're a new user, create a free account by entering your details and verifying your email if required. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the text generation or content creation section. Click New Project or Create Content. Now enter your topic. For example, how to use Kling AI free credits to create amazing videos. The AI works best when you give detailed instructions. Instead of writing only the title, try something like create a 3-minute YouTube script with a strong hook, simple explanations, and a call to action at the end. Click the Generate button. Within seconds, Claude AI will create a complete script. Read through the output and make small edits to match your style. You can ask the AI to make the script more professional, more casual, or more engaging. Here's a simple trick most beginners don't know. Always ask Claude AI to include a powerful hook, clear step-by-step explanations, real-world examples, a strong call to action. This makes your script much more engaging and viewer-friendly. And that's how you can create strong scripts using Claude AI in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.